Questions about yesterday's assignment. I'm going to talk about question number 8. Question number 8 deals with a penny. And it says that the diameter of the penny is 3/4 of an inch. It also said to use 22/7 for pi. Well, I know that my area equation uses radius. So I'm given the diameter. I have to figure out what the radius of a penny is. Before I do that, so I have to cut that in half. Before I do that, I want you to think, what is 1/2 of a half? Half of a half is a quarter, right? So what I did, or the shortcut to figure this out, if I'm taking half of a fraction, my numerators will remain the same. My denominators, what I do is I multiply my original denominator by 2 to get a quarter. So if I'm trying to figure out half of 3/4, my numerator remains the same, but my denominator gets multiplied by 2. So half of 3/4 is 3/8. So I'm going to plug 3/8 into my area equation. Area of my penny equals pi. They're saying to use 22/7 times 3/8 times 3/8. I would recommend cross-canceling at this point versus multiplying with big numbers. I know even number, so I can divide both of these by 2. When I do that, I'm left with 11, and I'm left with 4. So my area equation becomes 11 times 3 times 3 over 7 times 4 times 8. And that will be my final answer. If you look at these, at the numerator and at the denominator, there's no more common factors. I'm not going to be able to simplify my fraction any further. So when you multiply this, that will be your final answer. And it's going to be units squared.